Okay, I'm using full self-driving in a rainstorm, and the rain is fairly steady. It's not torrential, but it is a pretty good amount of rain, and let's see how the full self-driving works. I have had cases in the past with previous versions of FSD where the system would indicate that the capability was degraded. So let's see how this does, and hopefully we can put this on YouTube and maybe an excerpt on some other platforms so people can look at this. Let's open up the lens. There we go. See, there's quite a bit of water on the roadway. You know, as the water is getting pushed out by the tires. And you can hear it on the bottom of the body. So, you know, we got an emergency warning through the National Weather Service. I was in a store and everyone's cell phone was going off. They were indicating the rains could be as much as 2 inches an hour or more in some places. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay, there it is. So what happened was full self-driving disengaged. Let's see if we can re-engage it. Okay, we've re-engaged full self-driving. So it disengaged when the water from the road came up and covered the windshield and covered the windshield camera. Oh, there's emergency vehicles on the other side of the highway. And it looks like the rate of rain is descending, plus the highway is going uphill, so there's less puddling of water. Alright, so we'll keep this running for a bit, and maybe we can edit this down and go from there. So as you can see, besides that one instance when the windshield was totally covered in water from a big puddle, full self-driving's done well. It just moved into the right lane on its own. I didn't use the blinker toggle, and it's just preparing to get to my exit, which is in about a mile. And there shouldn't be any issues with water up here. Shouldn't have spoken so soon. Okay, there's a pond coming up on the left. And you know, it looks like the drainage is very well. Sometimes this road can be totally covered, in several inches of water. So I'm going to terminate this broadcast and let's get it uploaded. Thanks again. And I think, what you can see is in a very heavy rain, somewhere between 1 to 2 inches per hour, the FSD worked very, very well.